Punky Flute. Today is the part 2 of how to swing. So in the last episode, we practiced swinging on the word panda. So we did one panda, one panda, one panda. Today, we're going to double it. We're going to have two pandas. Panda, panda. With the word panda, you're never going to make the swing flip the other way around and go panda, panda, right? So we're going to go panda, panda, panda. We're going to keep it going today. We're going to go Panda Panda Pon Pon. We're going to get it so good. You're going to be experts on swinging. Today's song is called Panda Panda Pon Pon, just like how it sounds. So let's have fun playing this song together. Something like that. So we have 16 bars of melody followed by 16 bars of improvisation time. So we got 4 sets of 4-bar phrases. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed swinging with pandas. 2 pandas. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time. Bye!